Today, I'm restocking my kitchen for spring. Today, I'm surprising my mother-in-law by making bibimbap for her 20 coworkers. My trick? Steam everything.
I love it.
You love it?
Yes. I'm just gonna eat it right now because it looks so pretty.
Cooking for people you love is always worth it. And of course, bibimbap always leaves you with a lot of toppings. So I freeze them for later. My emergency bibimbap kit is ready. Another way to enjoy bibimbap prep is making Dolsot bibimbap.
Yes.
It's Korean hot stone rice. But if you don't have a stone pot, don't worry. Any cast iron pan works perfectly.
I think you're making bibimbap again.
Yeah.
Anyway. Over here.
Okay. When you hear the sizzle, drop the egg yolk and mix it in. Oh, look at this nudelji. Oh, that's the best part. I know what you are thinking. Bibimbap looks beautiful and delicious, but it looks like a lot of work, right? So here's the easiest version. Rice cooker bibimbap. Spread the protein and vegetables evenly on the top. Radish. Delicate greens go in after the rice finishes cooking. I also use less water because vegetables release moisture. Moment of truth. And the result? It looks much better than I expected. But maybe next time, I'm gonna put my protein a little later for tenderness. Hope my little trick helps you, 식구. Happy spring!